Okay, let's start with Rrb Clerical Rrb Clerical Pre-analysis. Let's start with reasoning. In reasoning, Rrb Clerical puzzle and sitting arrangement, starting with 2019 to 2023 market, some around 2020, 19, 15, right? Means 50% questions are from one chapter. 50% questions are from one chapter. Clear? So obviously for this year also you get ready from 15 to 20 questions, right? 15 to puzzle and sitting arrangement. Go to the direction test 3200. So in 2022, direction sense tense is 0. In 2023, this is also 0. But this year I am predicting 2 to 3 questions because for the last 2 years there is no question from the direction. So we are expecting 2 to 3 questions from this. Go to the logical alpha number and times, you can see 55053. So this is an important chapter. You can uh, clear your concept within 30 minutes. This chapter, the concept can be cleared within 30 minutes. So it's not a huge problem for you people. So get ready again from 2 to 3 questions from the logical alpha number test. Every year, coded inequality is an important chapter both in the PO and the clerical exams. And this is 50054. It signifies that in every year, there is nothing called fixed that the question will come from this chapter. It varies from the question setter. Alphanumerical series, simply it is also the concept can be cleared within 30 minutes. The concept can be cleared within 30 minutes. That is the alphanumerical series that is precede, followed, number of word pairs, right? Number of words pair, number of words formed, all are common to the alphanumeric series. Mark it 55555. As the trend shows, you will get 5 questions. As the trend shows, 5. Order ranking, simple. The concept can be cleared within 30 minutes. You people are doing a lot of questions, but it is not necessary. The basic concept of the order and ranking is you must know which is the greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, or the total is equal to left plus right minus 1. Total is equal to left plus right minus 1, or the total is equal to top plus bottom plus between. Top, that is the only concept. Coding, decoding, market 0050. So let it is also basic concept. Remember the number of letters, that is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, Z is equal to 26. Only that much. Do not need to worry about max 30 minutes is the sufficient time to overcome the coding. Miscellaneous words, that is a number based word pairing, meaningful word. Okay, that means it is also called on the alpha series. It is also comes under the alpha 3-2-2-3 format. That is the blood relation 3 questions, syllogism 3 questions, and the total is 40 questions. Mark it. All the reasoning chapter covered under hardly 5 to 6 questions. Suppose you are a newcomer, you belong to the scheduled tribe. For me, leave this syllabus. Leave this syllabus. Focus only 25 questions. You'll get into the Rrb clericals. Focus only in the 25 questions. Out of 25 questions, only 20 questions is from the sitting arrangement. Clear? So do not worry about the 25 reasoning chapters are there, 23 reasoning chapters are there, but the question is only revolving around the maximum 5 to 6 chapters, right? Suppose you are a general candidate, You cannot leave the syllabus. But if you are a scheduled tribe people, leave the syllabus. If you are a newcomer, if you are an old entrant in this sector, then go with that. So only direction, it needs 30 minutes. Puzzle and sitting arrangements, it needs lot of practice. Then alphabet series, maximum to 30 to 30 minutes. Coded inequality, hardly 2 hours. Coded inequality, hardly 2 hours. Alphanumeric series, it depends upon your practice. Order ranking, the basic concept is only 30 minutes. Right, coding, decoding, 30 minutes. Miscellaneous, same thing. It depends on a blood relation. Simply, you should know the generation 1, generation 2, generation 3, and 50 question is the maximum. Then depend upon your skill to solve any question. So, the major intaker, you have to focus only 4 to 5 chapters to crack the RRB clericals, not roaming around the 23 or the 24 chapters. Go to the next IBPS class, mathematics. As you know, for mathematics, as everybody in the DI, normally in the PO, the DI level questions are little bit of tough, as well as the more number of DI questions are there. But in uh, RRB prelim, we are giving less priority to DI, only 10, 10, 10. So this year, you also go with 10 to 15 questions. Quadratic equation 0, 0, 0. Some people will say quadratic equation definitely will get question, but depend upon the question setter whether they have the trust on quadratic equation or not. देखिए in 2023 no quadratic, in 2022 no quadratic, 21 5 quadratic, then there is no quadratic again in 19 quadratic. So depend upon the original. Missing and wrong series important. You will get 5 questions missing and wrong series 5 6 5 6. So obviously you are get ready with the 5 to 6 questions 5 to 6 questions. So combine DI and missing only 2 chapters. You will get 15. You will get some around 20 questions. Only 2 chapters cover of the 20 questions. But we are clear. Data interpretation, you will get the bar chart, pie chart, expenditure, income graphs. So 10 to 15, and this is 5, only 2 chapters. If you are a scheduled tribe people, go for the only these 2 chapters, you'll get a call from the RRB for the mains. Simplification, there is no shortcut to it, depend upon the practice. Means this is 10 to 15, this is 5. That is equal to near about 25, and this is 10. That is equal to nearly 35 question, only 3 chapter simplification. Obviously, it depends upon your practice. That is division, multiplication, subtraction, depend upon the practice. No shortcut is there. Arithmetic word problem, 10 to 12 questions, right? From the 10 to 12 questions, if you are a general candidate, focus on the SI and CI sector, right? For the EG, for EG breakup into any band, SI and CI, go to the average, right? Go to the boat and stream, go to the boat and stream, go to the boat and stream, then again into time, distance, train, time, distance, train, the same problem, and time and work. Time and work and chain rule. Time and work, chain rule, pipe and system. These are the same type of question. Time and work, chain rule, pipe and system. Normally same type of questions. Boat and stream, train, time and distance also the same type of question. So overall, if you are going for any banking exam, first focus on the DI. Do not go in the systematic way. I'll do the average, then I'll do the calculation part, then I'll go for the other questions. Like reading Harsha Idir Gai, then we'll go learn the Amber Panasa. Better to start with the data interpretation if you want to crack any exam within 6 months. Alright, start with the data interpretations, then with the series, then with the simplification. Means 25 to 30 question in your pocket. Then focus on the arithmetic problem. That means you are preparing in a wrong way. Right? When starting with arithmetic, only one question from the simple interest and compound interest. But if I am practicing the DI, 10 to 15 questions, and the prelim 10 to 15, all the DI can be solved. No problem for that. Right? Go to the next. In this year RRB, there is a little bit of change. Previous year there is no time cutoff. From this year there is a time cutoff is there. For the art reasoning is 40 questions 25 minutes, and in mathematics 40 questions 20 minutes. Right? For me, as in Odisha, we have 245 seats. 245 seats. So the number of people qualified into 10, that is 2,450. 2,450. So nearly some around plus 300 more students should be calculation, right? Because a lot of students in the cutoff is there. So a lot of students standing in the last cutoff. That's a let 245 seats into 10. So the number of student qualified is 2,450. Let another 300 plus. So that is equal some around 2,700 to 2,800. Right number of people will qualify for the prelims. So for me, as it is a clerical, the number of question is easy, very, very easy. So let it be for the general, let it 65. For general, let the cutoff is 65 plus. So try to score 7. Try to attempt 70 questions, right? Because the previous year the cutoff is 79.25 out of 80. But the situation is the number of vacancies is very less. So this year you go for the 72 to 75, try to score the 65, 66. In the same way, in the scheduled tribe, try to attempt 55 to 60, so that the cutoff is between 52 to 53. Because as the tendency shows that the cutoff 5 mark varies from each section, each categories to the next category. For the general, if the cutoff is 65, obviously the OBC cutoff will be 62, 63. The SC cutoff is 55 to 58, and the ST cutoff is 48 to 52, 53. Clear? Clear? This is all about this. Right. So thank you very much. Bye bye.